Hello guys, thank you for joining in today's video. Today I'm gonna be talking how I created this eye makeup look, and I'm going to walk you through the process, which is a little bit, how would I say that? It takes time. It takes time to do this type of looks, but this is what I actually really enjoy to do when it comes to makeup. I love makeup in general, but when it comes to eyeshadows, I would say that that is my favorite thing. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I will start by using the lightest shade, and this color is going to be placed just underneath the eyebrow. Also for this eye makeup look, I will stick to matte colors. Now let me just mention some of the stuff, it may not make sense to you at first, just because I will be switching between colors, color shades and color depth. For example, this color right here that I'm using is going right here, and at first it maybe does not make that much sense, like what am I doing, but once we combine other colors, you'll see why this color is been placed here. From the same palette, I'm gonna grab this color. Just gonna work with what I have on my brush. Next eyeshadow I'm using on top of this is Shuffle shade from BPerfect Carnival palette. For the most part, when I'm blending this eyeshadow, I'm concentrating on the edges of the previous eyeshadow. For those small details, it does take a lot of time. Now when it comes to inner part of this eye makeup look, before I create cut crease, I'm going in with same shades that I've used. So I am using first shade. And also make sure that your base is covering all the area from your nose to your hairline. I know it looks funny, but it's just the way it is when you create looks like this. Next is Shuffle shade. So I'm connecting and blending into this previous shade. And now shade Leer. Before I create cut crease, it is time for the darkest color. Now it is time to be really precise, and I'm doing cut crease first with Vaseline. I'm cleaning any eyeshadow excess that there is on my skin, and then after everything is cleaned, I'm going in with PLouise blank canvas. Now from the beginning, I'm going to fill in everything with eyeshadow, starting with light eyeshadow. Now because of the blank canvas, we do have a big difference between the colors, but I will fix that later with darker colors. I'm using a really small precise brush to make these edges even darker. Bring back some color. Now to connect this gap in between, I'm using a lighter shade. For the next step in creating this look, I will be focusing on the lower lash line. Adding some base first, of course. I know I'm going heavy with this base, but I can easily remove any excess later. First I'm going to use Loreal Intense Eyeliner in Pure Black. Now I'm going to smudge this eyeliner with tiny brush. For my lashes today, I'm using Kiss Eyelashes in style Velvet. So that will be it for today's video. In today's face routine, I did include Pixi On The Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Stick. That's gonna be it for today, and if you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!